Hello friends, this video I will show you how to get orders, order quantity and total sales from this supermarket sales data for a date range. So here you can see it contains order date, and for each order date it contains the quantity ordered and the total expenditure on the quantity or total sales on that day. So in this video, I'll show you how to get the number of orders. To get the number of orders, we'll use COUNTIFs formula. Here, this is the starting date and this is the end date. So we'll use COUNTIFs formula, COUNTIFs. And first we have to select criteria range 1. So the criteria range 1 will be the order date. So after selecting the criteria range 1, put a comma and then write the criteria. For writing the criteria, we'll write concat and in bracket first we'll write greater than equal to in double quotes, then a comma, and we'll select the first date, which is I6, and then close this bracket. Okay, now here, since we will be copying this formula, we have to put dollar symbol before B and before 6, and also before this B and before 75. So this is our range, and also before the I symbol we'll put a dollar. Okay, and for criteria range 2 we'll copy this again because it will be the same criteria. So I will just copy this and paste it here. So criteria range 2 is same, and for criteria I'll write concat, and in bracket I will first write in double quotes less than equal to, and after this a comma, and for text 2 I will select this date, and here before J I will put a dollar symbol but not before 6, and then close this bracket, close the outer bracket and click enter. So this will give us the total number of orders in that date range. We can copy this formula for other date ranges to get the orders on other date ranges. So here we can sum it also using this. Select this range and it will automatically sum it. Now to get the order quantities. So here you can see these are the quantities. So here instead of count ifs we have to use sum ifs. But the formula is similar, so we'll just copy this here, and here instead of count ifs we will make it sum ifs. So in sum ifs we have to first select the sum range. So after the bracket select this sum range, which is the range of quantities, and then put a comma, okay, sum ifs, this is the sum range, then the comma, and then criteria 1, which is same, criteria range 1, criteria 1, criteria range 2, and criteria 2, all these are same. So we'll just click enter here, and then we can copy this formula for the entire range. To get the total number of sales, the formula is similar. We'll just copy this to total sales, and here we have to change the sum range. The sum range will be this one, so it should be H. So we'll go here and change this G to H. Okay, and we have to put a dollar symbol here, dollar H, dollar 6, and here also dollar H and dollar 75. Okay, and rest of things will remain same. So we'll just click enter here. Now here we have a problem. uh, here we have not put dollar before f, so here we will be putting that dollar f and dollar 6, and here also dollar f and dollar 75. Okay, and then it will be fine and we can copy this formula. So now we'll copy this for this entire range, and this also we can copy for the entire range. Okay, and we can get the total using this same sum if formula. So that's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching this.